Man, I am absolutely knackered after that. Came from all the way over there, the car's on a little road there, and then I've come all the way around the pig track and turned right. That's where you saw the style saying Crib Goch. And then up there, it's a false summit before getting to the actual ridgeline of Crib Goch. And it's been a really good weekend. Yesterday I was up here on Llywedd and then came all the way down, and it was good to practice that because I bumped into some people that watched my videos and they took us all the way up there and they'd done this before. So that was really amazing. I was actually just coming up the pig track and there was a trail runner wearing blue and he said, "Hey, the trail hunter, I watch your videos." I said, "Thanks very much." So if you're watching, let me know who you are in the comments section, that'd be really amazing. So now I'm just gonna carry up this broken path with plenty of scrambling up to this false summit and then traverse Crib Goch. That's Crib Goch behind me. This is definitely the best way to get up to Snowdon that I've ever done. Like, the other ones are great, but this is just amazing. The best views, the best scrambling. So I'm just gonna traverse Crib Goch now, take it steady, and see how I get on. Just incredible. You're literally like this, kind of crab walking your way along the ridgeline. On this side it's like a little bit sloped, and on, say I'm facing this way, the right hand side, just down here, is just complete sheer drop. But you can see Snowdon summit up there. I think that's the sketchiest part over. I couldn't film. You saw what I just kind of climbed over with the drone footage, but I had to put this camera back in my bag. It was just too cumbersome to have on my sternum strap. You can see there, that's Ugain, and that's where I was the other week when I went up Trifan. It's just amazing to be looking back at Snowdon, where I saw the train coming up from there, and then be looking back at Ugain, because you just see a whole perspective of this entire place, and you get to really know Snowdonia that way and really understand the topography of the land and all of that technical gubbins. So now, enough of my rabbiting, I'm gonna go that way.
Just
Okay, so this is Garnedd Ugain. Over there's Snowdon. Down there's Llywedd. So I'm going to go to Snowdon now, back down the Watkin path into that saddle. There's a tarn there, I'm going to refill my water bottle, over Llywedd, and then down, and that's the end. But it's not the end now. Number 4. Okay, so that's Snowdon done. Now I'm going to go down the other side, join the Watkin path down there, and then go down up Llywedd, and then down the other side, and that should be it.